Hello guys, it's Prince here bringing you another entertainment update. In today's video, we have Hajia4real in the news. Hajia just dropped another song titled Blow, and guys, the visuals is just fantastic. Go check it out on her channel. Alright, so over the weekend, Hajia4real performed this song at Garage Infinity Sundays and she made the guys go wild. Check out her vibing and doing her thing on a bouncy castle, bouncing up and down. Guys, Hajia has proved she's here to stay and she's moving her craft to another level. Okay guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more entertainment updates. I'm out.